Part of the development journey when you make large units like we're doing here is of course going from early prototypes to large-scale commercial viable products. SOLIDWORKS has played a very important role in that, bringing a high level of flexibility, going from small decentralized units to larger centralized structure. EcoGain is a novel technology that efficiently purifies indoor air from particles, viruses, bacteria and VOCs using atmospheric chemistry. It's a game changer within centralized ventilation, and it enables us to reuse a larger proportion of indoor air instead of heating that air, cooling that air and using vast amount of energy. Airlich wants to rethink the way we heat, cool and ventilate buildings. HVAC consumes a vast amount of energy in buildings, and we want to help building owners to make their buildings more green, more sustainable by rethinking the way we do HVAC. So in order to purify the air efficiently, we need to treat the air using high intensity UV light. That process generates an oxidative environment that essentially transforms gas molecules into particles. Secondly, we remove particles using modern electrostatic precipitators, electronic filters that efficiently charge particles using electrons and remove particles as dust on a positive charge collector plate. Finally, in order to get a complete purification of the air, we use heterogeneous catalysis that efficiently oxidize short-chain VOCs and remove ozone being generated in the first two steps. That process required a vast amount of mechanical engineering, and SOLIDWORKS was a cornerstone of getting these mechanical structures in place so we can transform the technology into a product that subsequently could help building owners increase their energy efficiency. So our core manufacturing facilities are all outsourced, but all our partners of course use sheet metal tools to create the structures that we need in order to build our EcoGain products with the embedded technology. So the startup program is of course super helpful. When you're a new established startup, being able to use SOLIDWORKS as one of the best softwares available for CAD from day one has helped us a lot, because it allows us to use the software we want to use also in a scaling situation. In order to pave the way forward for a more green, more sustainable future, we need to optimize the way we run existing buildings. EcoGain is part of that solution and will have a dramatic effect on energy consumption in the buildings, but also of course CO2 emissions. EcoGain also improves indoor air quality, meaning that the air within the buildings that tenants breathe on a daily basis will be improved, and that will have a massive influence on their cognitive performance and their overall well-being. A very important tool for us going forward will be SOLIDWORKS flow simulation to do CFD simulations of various mechanical designs before we go into the production phase. Having access to SOLIDWORKS through PLM Group has been a game changer, because we've been able to innovate from day one in the best software available, and PLM Group has been super supportive throughout that process. Our vision is to create a greener, more sustainable future, both for the people but also for the planet. In order to achieve that goal, we need to come with novel solutions that also comes with a financial benefit. The fantastic thing about EcoGain is it brings both aspects at the same time. It allows for greener, sustainable buildings with a healthier indoor environment, but at the same time it also reduces operational costs for the building owner, and that's a perfect match.